million on the way, I know it's coming.
I ain't trying to come up 12 million, nigga.
12 million on the way, I know it's coming. Manifesting thoughts, yeah, I'm getting to this money. 12 million on the way, I know it's coming. I'm manifesting thoughts, yeah, I'm getting to this money.
I refuse to go back to being broke. I want legal money, I ain't trying to sell them dope. I won't mention when it comes down to that sacrifice, can you even relate? It's not now. Stay down and get mine, I gotta stay down and get mine.
So we are at the Mall of America right now. I need to get my back camera fixed. So all the footage using my back camera is going to be really shaky because I have to use the Messenger app for that. I'm going to get my camera fixed right now. While my phone is being repaired, I have to get an outfit for Soundset. So sadly, you probably won't see part of that. Yeah. So I got my phone back, camera's fixed. I got some tops from Forever 21. Couldn't film that. Made me kind of sad. I still have to get the pants, shoes, and then a jacket as well.
You have the fishnet pack and even...
I just gotta buy fishnets and makeup.
Is it a top?
Huh?
Is it a top?
Yeah. Don't question my DIY skills.
I don't know.
I'll show you the tops later. I'm still disappointed that I couldn't film all of the tops that I tried on because I tried on like 4 or 5 tops and only got 2. We are in search of a clear raincoat right now because it might rain. Ooh, that is a cute outfit. It might rain at Soundset, so that is a cute jacket. It might rain at Soundset, so just in case I need to get a raincoat. I am having the hardest time trying to find this jacket. It's not even funny. All I need is this jacket and shoes, and then we're going to Walmart so I can go and grab some stuff to DIY the rest of my outfit. Yeah. We're gonna take a break looking for this raincoat. We're going to head over to the food court and just grab a bite to eat because we're hungry. Ah. So I'm at Walmart now. I need to get some crafts and some pants so I can DIY my top, I guess, or part of my top for my Soundset outfit. I don't know if I should get this fanny pack. Like, will it make or break the outfit if I get it? We are finally done shopping. I got everything I need. Gotta go home and then start DIYing my outfit. We spent so much money, it's not even funny. I'm so ready to go home. I could not find the raincoat that I wanted. I wanted a clear raincoat to go with the outfit that I'm going to be making and wearing at Soundset. Sunset. Anyway, couldn't find it anywhere. I came close at Forever 21. They had so I'm kind of disappointed in that. They didn't have my rain boots either, so I will not be having a raincoat or rain boots, and I'm kind of sad because they were just going to take this outfit to a whole new level. So now I gotta figure out what to do. Hey guys, so it is the next day. I kind of woke up late. I look like a bum today. Yesterday drained me. I'm so drained and tired. I slept in today. I'm going to get my nails redone because I broke a nail, and then I have to DIY my outfit that I'm going to be wearing and edit all my clips because I do all my filming and editing on my iPhone, so my phone storage is like non-existent basically. So that is the plan for today. I'm going to go get my nails done. Sorry I look homeless right now. I always look homeless when I'm going to the nail salon like So I'm back at home, my nails are done, I grabbed some coffee. I still have to do a spa day, I haven't done that yet, and I haven't even touched my outfit, so I have to get my outfit done so that way I have something to wear tomorrow. And it's like 6 o'clock now, so I gotta hurry everything. I'm not Wiz Khalifa, but I'm always up, always in the cut, and I get green and I'm like coffee. I managed to puncture the E6000 glue, and then it got all over my hands and all over the bed, and just the glue got everywhere, so I'm already off to a bad start. Like a skater, roll a lot of paper. Shout out to BSS, Molly Boys and Taylor. Gang, ESB, I ride with them and they ride with me. And we always smoking hella trees. And your wife, she always on her knees. My team full of mouses looking for the cheese. Y'all city rats stay running around with police. But we gon' roll up, pull her all night. And go to 7-Eleven, nigga, get a Bella with a lighter. Fuck being sober, let's get a little high. Good morning, everybody. It is the day of Soundset. I didn't get a chance to do the spa day because the top that I made was bedazzled, and I got the inspiration by Navarro's and then Doll's Kill as well. They have this outfit where there's fishnet bottoms and like it's bedazzled, but I wanted it as a top, and that literally took me until 4 in the morning, and I had to wake up at 6 o'clock. I did not wake up at 6 o'clock. I woke up at 7, and here we are. So I'm going to do a quick mask and then start getting ready.
And police asking all them questions, nigga, I don't know. It seems like everybody kicking doors, and they asking me like, Roger, where you get that blow? The police asking all them questions, nigga, I don't know. Say why you asking all them questions, nigga, I don't know. And I won't ever tell, won't keep me selling now. And I won't ever tell, won't keep me selling now. It seems like everybody kicking doors. Police asking all them questions, nigga, I don't know. It seems like everybody cooking up. It seems like everybody selling drugs. When police come around, all they want is answers. But when they ask us all them questions, we don't give them answers. It seems like everybody.
Let's do it. We'll go real slow for you. Just stay in the middle, you'll be okay. Awesome job. Here we go. 28 seconds. Awesome job. Oh, 34. Good job.
My dog just robbed a nigga for another O. But that's just how they get it in Orange County though. Them out of town niggas thinking it be sweet, but the ones who think like that, they get robbed every week. So be careful who you trust, most people will set you up. And most niggas on my side of town ain't friendly, bruh. And I'm a south side, Meadow Woods, Orange County nigga, reppin' IMG, throwing up, YPC, nigga, I won't ever snitch. Mama taught me mind my business, police ask me all them questions, but they know I'm never snitching, Marley. It seems like everybody kicking doors, and they asking me like, Roger, where you get that blow? The police asking.
This is our new post-up spot. It's like the smallest amount of shade, so this is where we are.
When I say Pookie, you say baby Pookie. Baby Pookie. Baby Pookie.
Sorry, I don't really fuck with you dudes. I ain't coming in with these fucking new shoes. Only dudes inside that loose. I'm busy that day. I'm living that way. I'm busy as hell, man. Don't give me that face. I'm sorry I couldn't get out to your show. I was fucking your mama. You can count me out if you counted that. Your mama knew you wouldn't mind the shit. Look like you were one of this China shit. So excited when I walk in the room. Does it look like I am excited about you?